kilos. The tenner.
Sorry?
The tenner weighs 381 kilos.
Oh, right, okay.
I'm a bell ringer.
Going down. Catching round. 1, 2, 3. Miss and hold.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Hello, Simon. How's it going? If you want, I can ask if you can go inside the bell tower if you want.
I just wanted to hear it.
Fine 10.
Sorry?
Fine 10, isn't it?
Where are they ringing it from there?
In that little alcove,
That
yeah.
one there?
The middle window.
You can't, when you go inside, it's very muffled.
It is.
You don't get the same sound. When you get the sound from here, it's the strongest from here.
Yeah. All on the roof.
Yeah, I bet.
When you make mistakes, you only think you can hear it inside, but you can't. The entire town will hear it.
Yeah. Thing is, they probably don't know you're making a mistake.
Yeah, that's the thing.
You know it as bell ringers, but they probably don't get it.
Unless they're bell fanatics. is a lovely sound, isn't it? Are those 3 Aylesbury ducks still at Tingding?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Are they being mischievous as usual?
Apart from going around everywhere trying to get food off everyone.
I just call them Troublesome Trio.
Yeah, but they're delightful, aren't they?
Yeah, they're funny birds. I caught one once. When that peel's finished, we can go inside and ask if you can have a look.
People in for his evening service.
I don't know, but one thing's certain, I've got a blister from where the roads are. Put that up on YouTube?
No, I'm going to send it to my mother.
Ah, is she a bell ringer?
No, she'd enjoy it though. Church goer.
Yeah. I'm on YouTube.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, St Nick's in Newbury. This is my YouTube name on the back of my jumper.
Oh, I see.
Ringer Jake.
Oh, I see.
Brockhurst, yeah.
So do you know these people here?
No. They're very, ringers are very friendly. Except for one, Rebecca Browning. I secretly call her the Stump because she's very short. Do you want to go in and see if they'll let you in?
No, I'm all right. It's very sweet, but...
No, go on. Ah, here we go. We can go in now. Voila, that's stood.
Yeah, about 10, 12 minutes, something like that. So that's about right now. Arthur was... excuse me, can you...
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. Just cross your legs. Don't cross your legs. Almost been hot.
Look to Trevor's going. She's gone.
to 9. 6 to 7. 4 to 5. 2 to 3. 6 to 9. 4 to 7. 2 to 5. 4 to 9. 2 to 7. 2 to 9. 3 lane. 5. 7. 9. 3 to 5 lane. 3 to 7. 3 to 9. 5 to 7 lane. 5 to 9. 7 to 9 lane. 4 to 6. 4 to 8. 5 7 stroll. Brilliant. 3 to 2. 5 to treble. 5 to 2. 7 to treble. 7 to 2.
The 10 bells of Cookham, home of Stanley Spencer. Well, we're going about to ring the back 8 in a few rounds. Here we go.
Okay, let me just get past it. Stand right back.
I will.
And if I suggest you stand about there, because these two won't be ringing.
Yeah.
Okay, Claire, thanks.
There we go. Ah, thanks. Okay, we're going up into Southwark Cathedral Belfry. Bristol Maximus, I think. Is it Bristol Maximus?
Yes.
Bristol Maximus. Wow. What's the joke?
The Americans, that's why they built the cathedral so close to the railway.
This is a lot older than the Americans.
It's not on the railway as well.
Yep.
That's the point.
You're so lucky to be tower captain here.
I don't have a tower captain actually, it's ringing master, that's all.
Oh, you're ringing master?
Yes.
Who's tower captain?
Don't have one.
Oh.
Just don't have that position.
Usually shakes
So
quite.
if you could see those white
Chimneys,
chimneys
yeah.
over there, that's
That's the power
power
station.
station, which really shows you just putting off that way that it's actually over there as well.
Bankside Power Station too, the Tate Modern. Are the pinnacles 19th century?
No idea.
Probably are. That was how much the tower shakes.
Leave them down there, please.
Thanks. That was amazing.